Hello, this is Mike at MFWoodShop. Today, I'm going to make a Walking Dead sign using my new DeWalt 788 scroll saw. I got a couple things to finish up. Why don't you see what I'm doing while I finish this up? All right, I hope you enjoyed that. That was my first time using the new DeWalt scroll saw, and like I said, it was the DeWalt 788. I got to tweak it or tweak my scrolling skills, one or the other. The blade kept wandering off to the right, and I honestly, I think it was the blade. It was just the cheap blade that came with the saw, so it was probably just a practice blade. So I believe it was just the blade itself. But here's the final project. I think it turned out still pretty well. Not as clean as I would like it. Get a nice close-up of that. Not as clean as I would really like it, but it still turned out pretty cool. This was a piece of maple I had laying around. It was a scrap piece. It was actually 3/4, but I did mill it down to about 1/2 inch. And then the backer was just a scrap of paneling, I think it was, and I spray painted it black. But not bad. Still pretty pleased with it. So, just in case if you're living under a rock, Walking Dead starts Sunday. I'm really looking forward to this season. I think it's going to be good. If you're not a fan of Walking Dead, shame on you. It is a great show. I watch it every season. And I haven't missed an episode. And it's one of those shows that just me and my wife can get into. It's about the only show we actually agree on. So, that's all I got for you today. Walking Dead plaque, sign, whatever you want to call it. And I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.